Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Modi's China's visit after 7 years. Xi Jinping Putin meetings amid Ukraine war. SEO summit and trade tension. Comes under GS2 international relation. Xi occurs amid improved India-Chinese ties and the China tariff. Ukraine President Zelensky urged Modi to send a message to Russia to SEO summit for a ceasefire. Shanghai Cooperation Organization, founded in 2001, India joins in 2017. It is focused on political, economic, security cooperation in Eurasia. Expansion occurred 2004, strengthened cooperation for formal mechanism. Present day, ongoing political and economic security coordination. Members of SEO, China, Russia, India, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Iran joined in 2023, which is the latest one to join. There are two kinds of partners. One were observers and other was dialogues. Observers were Afghanistan, Belarus, and Mongolia. Dialogue partners were Turkey, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Cambodia, and others. Objectives of SEOs: regional cooperation, peace and security, counter-terrorism, economic development, and cultural exchange. Key bodies of SEO: Head of State Council, highest decision-making body. Head of Government Council, focuses on economic cooperation. RATS, Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. Tribal Affairs Ministry to launch Adivani, AI-powered translation app for Adivasi language, enhancing communication and preserving cultural heritage. Adivani, bridging linguistic devices, recently released in beta by Ministry of Tribal Affairs under Janjatiya Gaurav Varsh initiative. Supported languages: Santali, Bili, Mudari, Godi, and Kui, and Garo planned for the future integration. Technical collaboration developed through consortium involving IIT Delhi, IIT Hyderabad, Nyaya Raipur, and BITS Bilani, and various tribal research institutes. Platform availability: access via Google Play Store. Janjatiya Gaurav Varsh initiative is launched by the Government of India November 2021, making 75th year of independence, to celebrate, honor, contribution, culture, and heritage of tribal communities in India. Announced on 15 November 2021, the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda, the iconic tribal freedom fighter from Jharkhand. Objective: to recognize the role of tribal leaders and freedom fighters, highlight the tribal culture, etc. Major components of Janjatiya Gaurav Varsh were educational institution, technology for tribals, cultural promotion, museum projects, infrastructure, and welfare. Sundarbans microbes exhibit plastic degradation capabilities alongside antibiotic resistance, raising concerns about horizontal gene transfer and environmental AMR spread. Comes under GST, Environment and Science and Technology. Research indicates the microbes in the Sundarbans mangrove. Study published in FEMS letters analyzed water samples from Moringa estuary. Understanding the plastic degradation enzymes. PDE are the biocatalysts that can break down the synthetic plastics like PET, PE, PU, and PS into smaller biodegradable molecules. They offer eco-friendly alternative to conventional plastic disposal method. Examples of plastic degradation enzymes: PTS, MESTase, lacase. Orangutans' metabolic flexibility during Bruno fruit scarcity offers insights into human metabolic disease linked to energy dense diets. Research methodologies with wild orangutan diet in Bruno forest. Survival strategy: this protein prioritization and metabolic flexibility aids famine survival. Orangutans, they were the great apes found in the rainforest of Southeast Asia, portions of the forest in Malay, Indonesia. Types were Bruno orangutan, Sumatran orangutan, Taponi, orangutan. There are 3 species were critically endangered in the list. Threats were deforestation, poaching, climate change, and forest fragmentation. Conservation method, appendix 1 of sites. Conservation relevance for India, lessons in human wildlife conflict management, habitat preservation, and international cooperation. Please practice this mark question. Thank you.